looking at the Flight Vanguard and the Flight Pathfinder today. So I'm really enjoying doing these series of comparisons of my solid body ukuleles. We are looking at the Flight Vanguard Tenor electric ukulele and the Flight Pathfinder Tenor electric ukulele. These two, they're both made by Flight, but they really are actually quite different. So the Flight Vanguard retails at about the £300 mark. The Flight Pathfinder retails at about £220. So they're not drastically different in price. However, they do look very different. We've got the Flight Pathfinder, which is sort of styled on a Strat shape. And then we've got the Vanguard, which is sort of styled or modelled on a PRS shape. Apart from the differences with the shape of them, the Pathfinder has got one single coil pickup and a humbucker, whereas the Vanguard has got double humbuckers. There's two of them on there. They've both got switches, three-way, and they've both got a tone control and a volume control. So I'm looking forward to this comparison. The Pathfinder was one of Flight's first in the rock series of their electric ukuleles, whereas the Vanguard is one of the more recent ones. Back to the specs for a second. This has got a basswood or basswood body with a gorgeous maple top on it, whereas the Vanguard has got a solid mahogany body with a gorgeous maple top on it. Colour-wise, as you can see, my favourite colour, purple for the Vanguard, but they do also do it in a lovely transparent black colour, and the same goes for the Pathfinder. You've got this lovely sort of blue turquoisey going to a cream, but it is also available in a black colour as well. 19 frets on the Vanguard, including a 0 fret, 22 frets on the Pathfinder. Other differences, the Pathfinder has got a bolt-on neck, and let me just get the strap out of the way there. The Vanguard has got a set neck, so that's similar to the Reza. Gorgeous roasted maple neck on the Pathfinder, and again a solid mahogany neck on the Vanguard. Like all the other solid body electrics, they both come with double strap buttons, and both of these from Flight come with a really nice padded gig bag. So it's definitely time to hear them. They're going through my Barefaced Reality 112 cab and my Hughes and Kettner Spirit of Vintage amp head. Little bit bluesy for the first riff. It starts off with just reverb, but I do add a little bit of overdrive, and I'll pop that on the screen when it happens. Next sound demo is a little bit more gentle. I'm not using a plectrum, this little bit of finger picking, and there is reverb all the way through, but no other effects. And for the last sound demo, my rock riff starts off with no effects, but as I add them, I'll pop them on the screen. So that's what the Flight Pathfinder and the Flight Vanguard sound like. I am really looking forward to actually hearing this for the comparison. But as always, I'm not marking them out of 10 or judging them. I love them all. They're all my own ukes. And they've all got their little quirky aspects to them as well. So I'm not judging them. It's up to you what you think of what they sound like. So a quick reminder of price. The Vanguard is roughly £300. The Pathfinder is roughly £220. There are some more of these comparisons still to come, but I do hope you're enjoying them and maybe finding them helpful. As always though, if you've got a comment or a question, please feel free, leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.